In today's video, we're going to show you how to make this quick and easy delicious beef and naan meal. Stay tuned. Here are the ingredients. Cilantro. Butter. We're using grass-fed. Green pepper. Beef. Naan. Black and white peppercorn, ground paprika, parsley flakes, and sea salt. We're now going to prepare the meat. To begin, we're going to slice the beef into thin sections to reduce cook time and to ensure it's well cooked. Place the meat into a metal bowl or any kind of bowl. And we're going to begin to season it with 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/8 teaspoon of paprika, a pinch of black and white peppercorn, and 1/2 teaspoon of parsley flakes. Mix the spices together and refrigerate the seasoned meat for 5 minutes. To prepare the vegetables, we're going to cut the green pepper into smaller pieces, such as cube shapes. And slice the cilantro. Now it's time to cook the vegetables. In a pan over medium heat, add in a tablespoon of butter. Stir the butter with a wooden spoon to prevent sticking and add in flavor. Add in the green pepper and cilantro to the pan and saute for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes is up, now we're going to add in the seasoned beef into the pan and mix it to combine the flavors. Cook until the meat turns light brown. Add a 1/2 cup of water to the pan, cover with a lid, and let it cook for another 6 minutes. In a separate pan, we're going to heat the naan for 1 minute. You have 2 options for servings. The first option is to make a taco, kind of like placing the beef and the vegetables onto the naan. Cheese is optional. The second option is to serve the beef and vegetables with the naan like a gyro by placing all the ingredients within. Cheese is optional here, or if you want to add in anything extra to spice it up. Thank you all for watching this video. In the comments section, let me know if you added any extra ingredients to this quick and easy meal. And as always, let's keep on cooking.